Breaking news, it's over between Xabi Alonso and Real Madrid. The club has decided by mutual agreement with Xabi Alonso to interrupt the relationship, and so Xabi is no longer Real Madrid head coach following the defeat in the Super Cup final against Barcelona in El Clásico. It's over between Real Madrid and Xabi Alonso. A shocking breaking news for Real Madrid. The relationship has been difficult over the last few months between Xabi Alonso, some of the players. The situation has been very tense in the recent months, but then the Super Cup, the final El Clásico against Barcelona, was considered a crucial moment. Real Madrid lost that game against Barcelona, and the club decides today to interrupt the relationship with Xabi Alonso. It's over between Real Madrid and Xabi. The club will now proceed with a new manager to be appointed soon. Xabi Alonso and Real Madrid, game over after El Clásico and defeat against Barcelona.